Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GLB files in Blender. First, understand that GLB is a compact 3D format. Blender makes importing these files straightforward, allowing you to quickly bring your models into your projects. We will cover the simple steps to get your GLB models ready for editing and rendering within Blender's powerful environment. To import your GLB file, begin by opening Blender. Go to the File menu at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down, select Import, and then choose GLTF 2.0, GLB/GLTF. A file browser will appear. Locate your desired GLB file, select it, and click the Import GLTF button to bring your model into the scene. Sometimes, you might encounter issues after importing. If textures are missing, check that all associated files are in the correct directory. For scaling problems, select your model and adjust its dimensions in the N panel, often found by pressing N. Ensure the GLTF Importer add-on is active in your Blender preferences to prevent common import errors. Once your GLB model is in Blender, the real fun begins. You can now refine its materials, adjust lighting, and even add animations to bring it to life. Experiment with Blender's extensive toolset to customize your model further. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.